Hi guys! What's up? How are you? Burns here. And look what I've got. I just received the package and actually naabrihan na ako siya. And let's see what's inside the package. So it's here. Yeah, it's cocoa cider soap. Intense whitening with activated bamboo charcoal. So I'll be updating everyone regarding this product, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and other social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram. Nice kay siya, kay black. It's so unusual for a soap nga black, but yeah, since na siya activated bamboo charcoal. Of course, ang charcoal, black ba yan ang charcoal biagid. So yeah, black siya. And atong tanawan kung unsa ginayang composition ani no. Yun. It's so hard for me because I don't have a tripod here. Humot kay siya. Actually, humot kay siya no. So di na po ako ipakita kung maligo ko no, lisod pod. So yeah, i-update na mo tanan kung unsa gid ang feel gid ko ako ning gamiton. Okay? See ya. Let's try to see what's in the box. So it says here for all skin type and irritated skin, and for face and body. Yeah, for face and body though. Fragrance free and 135 grams as packed. So what's up once again? I just got out from the shower using the cocoa cider soap, and yeah, so here's the package. Going back now, let's discuss about the packaging, because for me, my good, anything that comes in black is very classy and stylish. So I find it very stylish, very classy, yet very informative, because you can see the image or the images, and then very informative gid kay siya, kay naagit tanan diri nga information that you need, that everybody needs. Like it says here sa likod sa iyang box, it says here, natural, raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized cocoa cider vinegar is now known globally, especially in tropical countries, in providing many health benefits to the skin. This soap preparation is also powered with recognized intense skin whitening or brightening agents, Koji carica papaya enzyme, and Bellis perennis flower extract, and further infused with bamboo charcoal powder to reveal the naturally clean, clear, purified, even-toned, and lightened skin all over. It is also antibacterial, antioxidant, and antifungal. Every time you bathe with cocoa cider soap, expect to experience the wonders of cocoa cider vinegar soap, as it boosts skin defense against some form of bacteria and fungi, as well as reduces skin infestations such as body odor and pimples. So mga bugas, no? Kato mga bugaso ng mga lawas diha. I think this is the best soap for you. For me, magod, beauty soap siya. At the same time, mura siya og somehow medicinal soap. I'm not sure though, but ayoko i-bash siya, ayoko i-judge. But for me, magod, ko na yung mga antibacterial, antioxidant, antifungal nga mga properties ng isa ka sabon, it also means that it's medicinal. So for me, I think I'll be using this soap kung muangay ko for the next few days. So why not, diba? I'll be using this lifetime. So hi guys. Bagulo ko naman og ligo. I'll adjust. So yeah. Bagulo ko naman ligo, and then I just wanna share to you kung sa ginawa gamiton ako. So let's start with the body soap. This is what I've been using for almost 2 weeks now. Almost 2 weeks na ba? Basta 1 week kapi na siya. So, pwede niya siya sa face, pero nagi ko ginabutang para sa akong face yun. Like, gina-alternate na ko ni siya. Una is this Cetaphil. Yeah. mapalit sa inyong soaking Watsons. And also, I bought this for my face. Cleansing foam from Etude House. There you go. And para sa akong buhok, it's a Crown and Glory. Yeah, hindi siya ma-focus. Ooh. Siya ma-focus lagi. Sa mukha niya. Yun. And ang ako din conditioner dayon is this. Yan siya focus sa mukha yun. Crown and Glory. So kuha ni siya. Hair reborn. And nag-apply naman ko ani ganina pero sila magdugangan lang nako, no? But so para sa akong dagway, this one. I don't know if you agree with me. I don't know kung kinsa niya nakagamit ani, no? Pero yeah. Gina-apply na ko ni siya before ko matulog. Okay, para at least moisturize akong dagway ba? It is very important na mag-moisturize ta. Kay this is the best time agad na gahilang atong skin. Ooh. So, kaning Cetaphil, kaning gikan sa Etude House or tip kaning mga shampoo, conditioner na ni sa mall. Pero kaning sabon na I think na siya special distribution yun. So if you wanna know more about this soap, just message me, give me a message so that I can direct you to the distributor. Okay? So there you have it. It's very important nga mag-moisturize ito sa atong dagway, no? Okay? The whole day biya kay nahago na din siya. So atong manon atong dagway kay more beginning gadala sa ato, more gining gadala sa ato agit everyday char. Ito nindot man ang inner beauty, pero nindot gyapon nga atong atimanon ang atong outer beauty. Kay of course, di ba? Sociable biya ta. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, my regimen every day. So yeah.